Hey, today I'd like to share homemade, a little homemade tool, maybe a few tools for tile installation. So this is called, let's say, we call the grout. No. It's just the mortar cleaner, which is before the synthetic get drier. You don't want the gap fill up the synthetic because that's for the grout. It's not for the thin set. So you don't want to have something stay inside there and then until it dry and you use a little maybe diamond thing or a little rough thing to clean. You really want to clean when it's wet, right? So I just make a little thing like this. It's aluminum. It's 1/16 thickness, and I make the little. Let's get it focus. Okay, anyway, I make a little shape like this. It's about a 1/4 inch, a little bit longer than that, in the depth. So it's the width is 1/8, because normally I put a tile with a 1/8 gap. So I make a notch like this. So when the tile's wet, you just go like this. Yeah, we'll clean it out. So it's pretty easy to make. You just cut a shape like this, or you can make with it's a corner plaster trout. It's only $1 or $2 something from the dollar shop. You can get it. You just cut it like this shape, so you can go like this. Yeah, see, it's clean pretty good. Or you can make a thing simple like this. Same thing, Yeah, go like this, so you can easy to go in to clean it. So yeah, a little bit experience to share with you guys. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.